Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. I've got a few ideas here to show you for Mother's Day because it's only a couple of weeks away and a lot of the things that we have tend to sell out for Mother's Day, so I wanted to give you a little jump on it. So we have some beautiful puzzles, we have tools, gloves, gardening hats, so Mom can get out in the garden and do a little bit of work in the garden soon. We do have a little bit of jewelry, some beautiful necklaces. These are little resin necklaces made locally. Beautiful candles. These candles are made locally as well out of soy wax, really gorgeous. The mugs that we have here are from Saskatchewan. I've shown them before. Susan Robertson is a potter from Saskatchewan and they're really beautiful. Quite a wide variety of designs from those. And with some of them we even have these cute little tea bag holders as well, which are really pretty. Just something simple. Lots of different mugs to choose from, which are always nice. You could put a little bit of tea or something with it. We have lots of beautiful wall pieces, like this flower is by Dog Bite Steel, which is a company in Uxbridge. We have a whole variety of these, different sizes, different colors, all kinds of neat pieces. Great puzzles, really beautiful puzzles. We have a big, huge selection of them, something nice for Mom to do on a quiet day. We also have some really lovely cards. These are the quilling cards. We've shown them before, really beautiful handmade cards. And those will definitely sell out before Mother's Day. So I hope you'll hurry on down, maybe grab a hummingbird feeder or a calendar or something beautiful for Mom because she deserves it. Thanks for joining me on The Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.